Right.
I'm gonna try.
The day after the storm. Now, what's your technique?
Well, my technique is I'm gonna forge my own damn path. That's my thing. I'm trying to make a new path so that we can go, well, hopefully just right to the fence by the river, not hopefully, you know, up and over the fence and into the river.
Right. Hopefully a net doesn't end up in the river.
If you do, you'll hear a big splash.
Don't hit the tree!
Oh no!
Oh God! Are you okay?
Yeah, that was funny! I thought about sticking my leg out and I thought, well, that would be dumb because then I'll have a broken leg.
Oh God, we can't go to the emergency room.
Go to the emergency room with a sled and everything. It's been horrible.
There's a net.
So try not to stick your leg out when it's ice cold because it'll probably snap right in two.
Oh God.
Oh no, I can't get this off. No.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Whoa! What do you want them to do?
To leave so we can steal their hill.
Yeah. Here, grab this. Oh, wait a minute. I'll see if I can do it. Off to the river.
Annette's going to the river.
And through the woods.
Here we go. Woo!
Holy!
Nice.
Did you see that?
Yes, you were almost in the river.
I know, but I flew.
Here goes Joe.
Right? Here we go.
Okay, go, Joe. Go to the river, not into the river.
No, go into the river. I don't think I'll hit you. Dude, you can get in the river.